Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install WooCommerce subscriptions with PayPal in the USA step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section on the left sidebar. Select Add New from the drop-down menu. In the search bar, type WooCommerce Subscriptions. Locate the WooCommerce Subscriptions plugin in the search results. Click the Install Now button next to the plugin. Once the installation is complete, click the Activate button. Now, go to the WooCommerce section in the dashboard. Select Settings from the WooCommerce menu. Click on the Subscriptions tab at the top of the Settings page. Make sure to configure the general settings for subscriptions according to your preference. Next, navigate back to the WooCommerce section. Select Payments from the submenu. Locate the PayPal option and click on Manage. Enable PayPal by ticking the box that says Enable PayPal Standard. Scroll down to find the PayPal email field. Enter your PayPal email address in this field. Adjust other settings as needed, such as return page and payment action. Save your changes by clicking the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. Next, return to the main WooCommerce menu. Select Products and then click on Add New. Enter the title and description of your subscription product. Scroll down to the Product Data section. Change the product type to Simple Subscription. Set the subscription price and billing interval according to your offerings. Configure any additional options, such as free trials or sign-up fees. After setting up the product, click the Publish button to make it live. Visit your website to confirm the subscription product is displayed correctly. Proceed to test the subscription purchase process. Complete a test transaction using your PayPal account. Verify that you receive a confirmation email for the subscription. Check your WordPress dashboard for the order under WooCommerce and Orders. Ensure that the subscription status is active and functioning as intended. You have successfully installed WooCommerce subscriptions with PayPal in the USA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.